one of their shows when I was 4 years old. So that was my first. My mother was part of the Angels of Light.
Wow, cool.
So yes, that is part of my lineage as well. So thank you, Esmeralda, my mother, for introducing me to the wild world of drag queens and glitter. And talking about expression, right? Talking about expression, learning how to express what's not acceptable in society and yet claiming it and showing it in a beautiful way. So learning how to speak into our voice, our authentic voice, partially is through our senses. Right? So that's what this song is about, opening to the senses. So I'm going to sing it to anchor it in, and then we'll do call and response. And hello birds, hello trees, hello wind, hello earth, hello each heart within you, beating, pulsing. We're going to entrain and find each other's own rhythms as one together. Open your senses.